Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Cygnus and the Solitary Tree. So what do we see here? Well, in the foreground we see a tree sitting there here on planet Earth, and up above in the sky what looks like flames burning across the sky, but is actually a set of nebulae off in the distance and off toward the constellation of Cygnus. Now, Cygnus is one of the constellations that happens to be near the plane of our galaxy, and that means that we can see a lot of nebulae there. We're looking in toward the plane of our galaxy, or the disk of our galaxy. And those flames are not fire at all. They are actually glowing hydrogen gas off in the distance, and what are known as H2 regions, or ionized hydrogen regions. So normally hydrogen gas is invisible. It will be nice and clear, just like the gases we're used to seeing in our atmosphere. They're there, but we can't see them directly. The only way you can see a gas like this is when it gets excited, when it's energized, and that will cause it to glow. We do that here on Earth when we put gases in various tubes and send electrical charges through them, which cause the lights to glow. And we see that as things like neon signs that are glowing gases where they are being energized. That's the same thing that's happening here out in space. Where is the energy coming from? Well, these are all star-forming regions where gravity is causing gas and dust to collapse, forming new stars. And those stars that form, especially the first ones to form, are the largest and most massive, giving off a lot of ultraviolet light. That ultraviolet light then energizes the gas. That is what ionizes or strips electrons off the hydrogen gas and causes them to recombine later, which gives off the distinct red glow that we see around this whole region. Now, don't expect to see this if you go out and look in the direction of Cygnus. You will not be able to see all this gas. Why? Because it's simply too faint. The way you see this is with a much longer exposure, bringing out all of the detail that our eyes would never be able to pick up. No matter how long we stare at something, our eyes only pick up the light for a fraction of a second at a time. Whereas when we use a camera, we can put it out there and bring in light for a long period of time, whether it be minutes or even hours, bringing out great detail and allowing us to see what is actually there in the sky, even if it is not visible to our eyes. So that was our picture of the day, titled Cygnus and the Solitary Tree. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be a jellyfish. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.